Just want to make a quick video. I have a 2010 Polaris Ranger 800 XP. Throttle cable failed. There's no videos anywhere I could find on it. So here's your cable right here. To replace it, you have to take out this bolt here, and then there's one on that side. I had to put a Phillips head in it because I lost the other one. There's no access to remove them bolts. I had to trim the plastic off to actually get to it. Trying to focus here. There we go. Then just make sure you route it properly. You're going to need 4 hands to do it. It goes up under your floor, through here, connects on your throttle body. Where are we at? Definitely don't lose that brass piece, or else you will not get this back together. Good luck.